Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NPH. I'm your tutor myself, If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe and share the link of this channel so to some student or family member or friend that you know need to improve his or her skill in maths. So we have a problem on the board that says evaluate without what tables. So we have 3 log 2 plus log 20 minus log 1.6. Now, what this means is you want to apply the laws of logarithm to solve this. That's why the question says evaluate without what? The use of tables. So the first thing I'm recognizing is this, okay? 3 log 2. I want to apply the change of what? Number law. So if I have log a raised to power n, we can write this as this comes here to multiply. So we have m times what? Log a. And we can also write this m log a as what? This comes here. So we have log what? A raised to power what? N. So for this part, we want to apply this, okay? Where 3 stands in place of n. So we are going to write this as what? Log, like we have here, 2 raised to the power of 3. The plus we have log what? 20 minus what? This is log. Now 1.6, we can write it in fraction as 16 over 10. The point means 1 and this becomes 0, so we can write this as 16 divided by what? 10. Okay, so that's our first step. So let's see what next we can do here. Alright, so now 2 raised to the power of 3, okay, we can write that as log what? Okay, 2 raised to the power of 3 we know is what? 8, okay? So plus what? Log 20 minus what? Log what? We have 16 divided by 10. Remember 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 means what? 2 times 2 times 2, okay? So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Alright? So let's see what we can apply next. Now we have the addition law. If I have log A plus log B, okay, we can write this as what? Log what? A times what? B. So we're going to apply it here. So I'm going to have log what? 8 times what? 20 minus what? We have log, okay, 16 divided by what? 10. Okay, so from this, what do we have next? I can see we have the subtraction law. If I have log n minus what? Log n, we can write this as what? Log, okay, n divided by what? N. Alright, so we are going to apply it to this, okay? So let's apply that and see. Okay, so all these we can write as log what? Now 8 times what? We have 8 times 20. 8 divided by what? 16 divided by 10. Okay. 8 times 20 is going to give us what? So 8 times 20 is, okay, 160 divided by what? 16 divided by 10. Alright. So we have log, okay, let me write this as 160 divided 1. Okay, we have divided by what? 16 over what? 10. So we can write this as log what? 160 divided by what? This is going to change the time. I will revise this. 10 goes up and 16 comes down. That's your principle of fraction, okay? So something can cancel out, okay? Or we can, okay, multiply 160 times 10. So we have log, okay? 160 times 10 divided by 16. That will give us log what? We have 1,600 divided by 16. Okay. let's see. Of course, 16 can divide 1600, so we have log, okay? 16 into this is 1, 16 into this is 1, and we have 0, 0. So we have log 100. Okay? Now log 100 also means log. Remember, 100 means 10 times what? 10, which is what? 10 raised to the power of 2. So we can write this as 10 raised to the power of 2. Okay? So how do we solve this? Remember, this is in base 10. When we have ordinary log, it is in base 10. So we can apply what? We can still apply our what? Power of number law. So my power of number law, I remember if I have log a raised to power n, it can come here as n log what? A. So this becomes what? These two come down here. So we have 2 log what? 10 base 10. Okay, so what can we recognize? Now we can recognize when you have same number, same base like this. Okay, if I have log a base a, it means 1. Alright, so we are going to apply it here. So it means this means 2 times what? 1. So we have 2 times 1. So the final answer to this problem is what? Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and share the link of the channel to somebody. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.